A store has 5 different lengths of extension cords for sale as shown in the table above. If the range of lengths of the 5 cords is 7 feet, what is the greatest possible value of x? So the range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. And if we're trying to find the greatest possible value of x, then x should be the greatest value here. And let's see if that can work out. So let's just write the chord lengths, and I just like to write them in order just to visualize things. So let's see, the lowest one is 6 feet, and then we have a 7-foot chord, then we have an 8-foot chord, and then we have an 11-foot chord. And then we have the x-foot chord, but let's not think about that one just yet. So if these were just the 4 types of chords, the range here would be the high minus the low. It would be 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5. Now they tell us that the real range is 7 feet. So that means we can go even higher than 11. And one way to think about it is, if we're trying to maximize the value for, if we need to maximize the value for x, then we need to go 7 higher than the lowest value. So the lowest value is 6. You go 7 higher than that, so plus 7, you're going to get to 13. So x, the highest possible value for x is 13. So x would be equal to 13. So x is 13 right over here. Now, if someone were to say what would be the lowest possible value for x, you'd want to go the other way around. So if there's 6, 7, 18, and 11, and if you wanted to minimize the value for x, you want to make x as small as possible, then you would say, okay, well, x is going to be the minimum of our chord lengths, and then you would take 7 less than the highest. So 11 minus 7 is going to get you to 4. So this question says, what's the highest possible value of x? It's 13. But if it said, what's the lowest possible value of x? Then it would be the high, the existing high, minus 7, so that you can get a range of 7. And so in that case, you would have gotten 4. But that's not what they didn't ask us this. I'm just, in the future, you might see a question like that.